Hey guys, I'm in the graphing practice assignment in Edulastic. So I wanted to take a few minutes, especially I saw some of you really struggled with the graphing on the quick check yesterday. So I want to take a few minutes to make a video. I'm going to have you watch this video and then you're going to complete this assignment yourself in Edulastic. And hopefully you'll have a better understanding of how to graph a line on the computer. So our question number one, we are going to plot a point at 4, 0, and our slope is 1 over 3. Now, one thing I did notice on the quick check is some of you are getting confused between the difference of the slope and the ordered pair. Sometimes the slope is given first and the ordered pair is given second. So you need to understand the difference. The ordered pair is always going to be in parentheses. The slope is either going to be a ratio, rise over run, or it might just be a whole number, okay? But the ordered pair is always the pair of numbers that are in the parentheses. Okay, so when we have an ordered pair, the first number represents the x value, the second number represents the y value. So the first thing you need to do, it says click to select. So you need to click where it says line AB. And then I'm going to go to my point. So if I start at the origin, my x is 4. So along the x-axis, I'm going to go over to 4. And then my y is 0. So I am not going to go up or down. And I'm going to click right there on that 4. Now you see it already puts a second point in there, but that's not necessarily where it needs to go. So I'm going to click on that B point, and I'm not going to let go. I'm going to keep my finger pushed down. And I'm going to go back to my starting point at 4, 0. Now, I have not let go of my mouse yet. I'm still holding it down. If you guys are using your trackpad, you're going to keep your finger pushed down. Now, my slope is 1 over 3. So that means I'm going to rise 1 and I'm going to run 3. So since I have a positive 1 from this point, I'm going to go up 1. And I have a positive run of 3. That means I'm going to go to the right 3 places. And now I'm going to let go and look there. Now, if I make a mistake, I can undo that. I can redo that. I can reset it completely to start from the beginning. So that gives you some choices. You can click and make other points on there and then kind of drag the line, but you really don't want to do that. So if you accidentally click somewhere and make an extra point, then I would click the undo button to get rid of those extra points. You really just want to have your 2 points. So I click there at 4, 0. I'm going to drag this back to my point. I'm going to rise 1 and I'm going to run 3 and I'm going to let go, and that's all I'm going to do. So now let's go to the next question. Okay, graph the line that has the point 5, -2 and a slope of 2 over 3. So again, I'm going to click here to select my line. My point is 5, -2. So x is 5. So along the x-axis, I'm going to go over here to positive 5. And y is -2. So that means I'm going to go down 2, and I'm going to plot my first point. So that's point A. Now I have a slope of 2 over 3. That means my rise is 2 and my run is 3. So I'm going to click on my B. I'm going to go back to my starting point A. I haven't let go yet. I'm going to rise 2 and I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to let go. I'm going to click the next. And now I have a point of -1, 4 and a slope of -1/3. So again, I'm going to click line AB so that I can get started. This time my x is -1. So from the 0, I'm going to go over to the left 1 and my y is 4. So I haven't clicked on anything yet, guys. I am just tracking to see where I'm going to put that first point. So I go to the first, to the left 1, and I go up 4 and plot my point. Now I have my rise over run. So I'm going to click my B. I'm going to go back to my A. I haven't let go yet. I'm going to give that negative with my 1. So I'm going to go, my rise is going to be a -1 and my run is 1, 2, 3. And that's all there is to it.